This week on FiTech Tech Tuesday, we're going to go over the relay box that comes along with the FiTech throttle body EFI systems. FiTech EFI throttle body injection systems now offer relay and fuse box combos along with their EFI systems. Prior generations had fuses in line and the relays were built into the ECU. We went over to this as a clean packaging design that gets the fuses in a protected location and then allows the relays to be serviceable. When you remove the top of it, underneath the top is a diagram that shows what each component does, but let's go over them real quick. Our top relay right here is going to be for your fuel pump. The one on the left is the main power. The main power is going to be powering high amp components such as your oxygen sensor, the injectors, the idle air motor, things like that. So then just below it, there's two 20 amp fuses. The first one is a blank, just a spare fuse. The next one over is for the fuel pump. So in the event that you have a blown fuel pump fuse, you have a spare. Next up, we have the 15 amp fuse. The 15 amp fuse powers the main relay, which is powering your high amp components. Then last, our 2 amp fuse is the fuse that powers up the ECU and the handheld controller. As far as the relays go, if you key on and the system turns on, but the fuel pump doesn't, it could also be a relay, but an easy servicing check that we do is we could switch the relays and the problem should move. I hope this answers any type of questions when you see the new relay box with your system. If you have any additional questions, please comment them down below or visit our website at fitechefi.com and visit the support tab for additional tech videos.